Sweet words which are put into practice are like flowers, colorful and fragrant. Dhammapad 52. Sweet words which are put into practice are like flowers, colorful and fragrant. Dhammapad 52. A flower may be quite attractive, alluring, possessing a brilliant hue. In addition, it may also full of fragrance. So it is the person who is well spoken and practice what he preaches. His words are effective and they are honored. Just as a gorgeous blossom, brilliant and sweet-scented, so fruitful the well-spoken words of one who acts as well. Dhammapad 52. Yathapi rosirang puphong banna bantong sogandhakong ebong subhasita basa sofalahoti sakubbato. Dhammapad 52.